Hi, I'm Genevieve and I am the founder of Lekker Baking Co, formerly known as Bake Mixes. And Lekker Baking Co is a range of healthy, whole food, vegan-friendly baking mixes that makes healthy baking delicious and fun. In terms of social media followers, on Instagram we have about 21,000 and Facebook we have close to 30,000. I found the most effective way to market my range, especially because I'm marketing mainly to millennial women, is through social media and online. I really need to get inside the mind of my consumer and think, okay, I'm 27, I'm female, where do I shop? Maybe I shop at Lorna Jane. So then we tee up with Lorna Jane to do in-store promotions with them. I think, okay, I follow these people on social media, so then we reach out to those people on social media and collaborate so that we can also reach their audience. So it's really about getting inside the mind of your customer and thinking, apart from baking, what else do they like to do? And then fit our marketing strategy into their lifestyle. I started by sending product to social media influencers that were active in the space that I wanted to target, making sure I have quality content, and I've invested money in that, and also utilising things like hashtags and then Facebook advertising and our Instagram advertising. All of that has helped build us up. And I mean, we're only at about 50,000 in total. It's not that big, but that's the way you would need to build it up. And as well, it's all about quality. I would rather have 1,000 followers who are actually customers than 100,000 who would never purchase my product.